What you doing? Are you in here shouting away? Yeah? Do you feel better? Did your belly feel good today? Yeah? Yeah? Are you going to be able to play with your toys today? Yeah? You think so? Are you hungry? You want to eat? Yeah? You want to go get a cup with some milk? Yeah? Go get dry honey? Yeah? Really? Yeah? Is your great-grandma coming to see you today? You're so silly. What's that kitty doing over there? Is he silly? Is he silly? He's crazy, huh? Yeah? Beep, beep. Yeah? Want to get out? Get out? All right, come on. Oh. Say good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This birthday boy is not sick anymore. Say yay! Yay! Clap. Yay! I can't do it. I only got one hand. What's that cat doing? Is he crazy? Oh my goodness. He's crazy. Look over here. The camera's over here. Right here. Yeah. Say hello. Can you kiss? Blow my kiss. Oh, kitty. You want to get him? You want to get him? Oh. Say hello, kitty. He just came in out of the rain. He's all wet. He's all wet. Where are you going? We don't play in here. There's too much stuff in here. Yeah? You're gonna get it? You're not fast enough. Yeah? See, I told you you weren't fast enough. He ran away without you. Yep. You're silly. Where are you going? Hey, quit stealing my coat hangers. I gotta hang your clothes up today. I didn't get to yesterday because I was snuggling my baby. Shaky, shaky, shaky. Shaky, 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 shaky. Shaky, 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 shaky. Come on, let's go start the day, sir. Yeah, change your hiney, get something to eat. Maybe we should start with a baba. A cup. No more babas. Say, who drinks out of a sippy cup? This guy right here. Yay! Yay! Can you say, what, what? What, what? You do it. You did it the other day. No, that's not the sound. Where are you going? You're crazy. What are you doing? That's for babies. You're a big kid now. You're crazy. Are those new birthday toys we didn't open yet? I think they are. I think they are. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Come on, we gotta go let your dog in. He's out in the rain. He's getting wet. Big kid. You are nosy. Whoa, careful. You are sure good at the bang on it part. Yeah. Come on, let's go let the doggy in. Come on. Come on. Walk with Mommy. Come on. You walk with one hand? Come on. Oh, squirrel. You got sidetracked. Here. Give Mommy 2 hands. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go, mister. It's tricky when your feet aren't in your jammies, I guess, huh? Come on. Come on. Whoa. Oh, you cheater. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go let the dog in. Be careful on that step. Atta boy. Don't face plant. Whoa. Oh, jeepers. Lila's going to trip us with her rope. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, we gotta let Skinner in. Come on. No, squirrel. Let's go. Lila, get out of the way. Tell her, move it, woman. Move it, woman. Coming. Silly dog. Come on. Watch out for that step. Good boy. Whoop. Swing and a miss. You're alright. Come on. Come let him in. Where's your doggy? Oh, peek. There he is. There he is. Out in the rain. Say good morning, Skinner. Is that your brother? Huh?